This day marks a significant milestone in our city's journey toward creating a vibrant, inclusive, and beautiful community for all. These new spaces are designed to connect our communities and bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and camaraderie. We may just see concrete for a trail, a spiral for a trail, a baseball field, and dirt, and that's it. But what I see are families and memories that you can have for a lasting lifetime out here. Isn't it gorgeous out here? I mean, this is a gorgeous park. While portions of these projects are still under construction, we're thrilled to kick off the first reopening and share our progress with you. The projects and many more in the pipeline are part of the community supported by our bond project that you, the people, voted on. And it's one of our main strategic goals in creating a great community to live in. This goal reflects our commitment to enhancing the quality of life for all our residents through the thoughtful planning and dedicated efforts. These things, these parts, is what keeps a community together and stays unified during the most difficult times. So let's have this ribbon cut, and we'll do this real quick right over here.